Hello and welcome to this video where we will be looking into mutable and immutable data types. So object is called mutable if it can be changed. For example, when you pass a list of some function, that list can be changed. So consider x is equal to 1, comma 2 and let's print it out. Okay, and now we can use the append operation to add the next element to the end of the list. And now if we print it, so we can see that the 3 has been added to the list. So this is mutable. So similarly, an object is called as immutable if it cannot be changed. For example, integers and tuples. So let's assign x is equal to 1, comma 2 and let's print it out. And when we check it now, we can't use append, add or insert operation into this because it doesn't support. So these are known as immutable. So you might think that I have mentioned integer as immutable. But when we assign x is equal to 3, for example, in the first line, and if we assign x is equal to 5 after 2 or 3 lines, then if we print out x, then we can see the value as 5. So here, variables themselves are mutable. So we can reassign variables value like x is equal to 3 will be changed and reassign the value of 5. But it cannot change the object that x had previously pointed to. So this was about the mutable and immutable data types. If the object can be changed, then it is called as mutable, and if it cannot, then it is called as immutable. So some examples of mutable data types are list, dictionaries, sets, etc. So some example of immutable data types are integer, long, float, strings, bytes, tuple, and frozen sets. So hope you got to know about mutable and immutable data types. Thank you for watching.